Hi, how's it going? I'm your host, Malachi Gribb, CEO of Elite Automation. Today we're going to be talking about Epson Robotics and especially Epson's Scara robot. Now, Epson has 4 models of Scara robots. The first one I'll mention is the G series robot. Now, the G series robot is their most configurable robot. You can get them in water resistance ratings, you can get them as a floor mount, wall mount, ceiling mount, and they're just their most configurable and most robust Scara robotic solution. Then I'll take you to the LS. The LS series is also very similar. However, it's more of like the lower cost budget version of the G series. And then within each one of these series, as the G series, you can see that there are multiple different models that give you different payloads, different reaches, different speeds, and this helps you choose the proper robot for your application. And there are a lot of specifications that may be true to you. Maybe you're more concerned on the budget of the application, so you want to get a robot that is more of a budget model of the robot. Maybe you want to be closer to your payload, and so you do a very fine-tuned payload calculation to ensure that you don't buy an oversized robot. Or you may be the type of company that doesn't care about spending a little bit extra money to buy a higher payload robot than what is needed for the application. For us at Elite Automation, we really do agree with speccing a robot above its size. And the reasoning for that is if you ever want to lift up a heavier part than what you initially spec the robot out for, the robot's able to handle it. The robot can generally operate at higher speeds without faulting, and the robot can also operate at higher speeds without having mechanical issues. The closer you are to your robot's payload while in operation, the more likely it is going to fail due to excessive duty cycles. 2 more major model variants. One of them is the RS. So the RS model robot is one of the most compact robots. It has the ability to fold up underneath of itself and can perform 100% a complete 360-degree range of motion. And Epson has 2 models of those robots. Then they have 2 more models of a robot, and it's the T-Series model. The T-Series model, one thing that's really cool about that model is the controller is integrated into the robot itself, which means you don't have to have a separate box that has to be mounted to some other exterior structure, which overall just helps keep an automated system tighter and in more of a confined space. Hopefully this quick little video gave you a fairly decent insight to the Epson line of Scara robots. And for more videos like this, make sure to hit that subscribe button.